Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the Large Drillman from Skibidi Toilet Multiverse. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first off at the top and let's draw the head. Let's start with a small curve, and then bring it out to the left from the top, and the same thing from the bottom, but make it a little bit shorter. And then an angled line to close off the end. Next, inside, let's add some curved striped lines. Now let's zoom in and finish drawing the rest of the head. Around the right side, let's add a circular curve. Then from the top and bottom, let's curve it out and over to the right. And then close off the end with a curve. Now inside, let's add 2 more curves. Now from the top, let's bring it over to the right, then bring it down, and then back over. Next, inside on the bottom right, let's draw a rectangle shape. Then let's draw a line down the center, and the same thing above it. Now let's move back over to the left and let's draw a U-shaped curve underneath. Then from the bottom, let's bring it over and curve it up at the end. And now inside, let's add 2 curved lines. Now underneath the shape, let's draw another larger U-shaped curve. And then from the bottom of this one, let's angle it up to the right. Bring it up, and then back in. Next, let's move inside and let's draw a line over and bring it down. And then inside this middle section, let's draw another rectangle shape on the bottom right. And add some vertical lines inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's draw 2 lines down for the neck. And then a curve across. Now from the sides, let's bring it out and curve it down for the shoulders. Now let's hop back to the center underneath the neck and let's draw a long line down on both sides for the inside of the jacket. Then let's hop underneath the shoulders and let's draw an angled line down. And then bring it down from both sides. And then close off the bottoms. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details on the jacket. Let's start near the top and let's draw an angled line down. And the same thing on the right. And then a longer angle down to the center. Now on top, let's add another bent line to finish off both sides of the collar. Now on the right side of the chest, let's add a rectangle shape going out for a pocket. Now let's move down and add the buttons. On the left side, let's draw 2 circles. And then on the right side, a line across from each button. And lastly, on the sides here, let's add a rectangle shape for the pockets. Now let's hop onto the inside and draw the details there. Let's start underneath the neck and let's draw 2 V-shaped points down for the collar of the shirt. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw a longer V-shaped point down. And then underneath from the bottom, let's angle it up and out. Now in the middle section, let's add the tie. Let's start with 2 angles down and a line across. And 2 longer angles underneath. Now underneath, let's draw a line down in the center, stopping here. Then add a circular button. And then 2 long curves down and over to the sides. And that's it for the inside shirt. Now let's move to the sides and add the arms. From the shoulder lines we drew earlier, let's bring it down. And the same thing from the inside. And then close off the bottom of each sleeve. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw another curve at the bottom. And then add a small circle on both sleeves for the buttons. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. We'll start with a curve down and bring it up for the thumbs. Then let's curve it down, around, and back up to close off each hand. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move in and draw the legs. Let's start inside and let's draw a line across in between the vest here. Then let's bring it down and curve it up on the right. Now underneath, let's draw 2 angled lines down. Then hop outside and let's do the same thing. And then a curve at the bottom of each pant leg. Now underneath, let's draw the feet. From the inside, let's draw a small curve down. Then bring it out and down for the tops of the shoes. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the main body. Now let's draw the drills coming out from the back. Let's start on top of the right shoulder and let's draw a large curve up and bring it out. And let's do the same thing underneath. Now let's do the same thing from the left shoulder, but we're going to bring it behind the head. Next at the end, let's start drawing the drill. Let's start with a curved rectangle shape. Next, let's leave a gap and let's draw a smaller curve. And then a V-shaped point out for the drill. Now inside, let's draw some curved stripes. Lastly, to close off that gap from the sides, let's draw a curve in, and the same from the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's add the pattern on the wires. Let's start inside at the bottom near the shoulder and let's draw 2 curved lines. And then another 2, leaving a gap. And then draw a line in between. Now let's follow that same pattern all the way to the end. And now let's do the same thing on the right side. And that's it for the first set of drills. Now let's do the same thing coming out underneath. Let's start next to the arms and let's draw a curve out and bring it down. And the same underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the right. Now at the end, let's draw the drill. We'll start with a rounded rectangle. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw a shorter curve. And then a long pointed V shape going inwards for the drill. Now inside, let's add some curved striped lines. And again from the sides, let's curve it in. And lastly, let's add the wire pattern on both sides. And that's it for Large Drillman. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!